Hey guys, welcome back to the 8th part of the CSS series. Today we are going to talk about how you can increase the image size beyond what's already present inside of Clickfunnels. So right now what you can do is you can only increase the size of the image as much as the column length, right? So today we are going to go beyond that. So as you can see over here inside of Clickfunnels, that this image is already present within this column, right? We cannot increase the size. So even if we place it like 15 to 1500, it won't increase further. But what we can do is, let's just give it some padding so you can clearly see. So we'll go to columns, we'll go to first column, give some 20. This is also going to be 20. Okay, now after optimizing the padding, we will head on to custom CSS, then just simply copy and paste the code from the description. Let's copy it, paste it. Now just copy the image ID from here, copy it, go to custom CSS, paste it, and as you can see, it's increased, right? It has gone beyond the column. So what happens is, as you can see, it's more towards the right side, right? How we can move it a bit left? It's very simple. Again, just head on to custom CSS and add this margin left minus 55 pixel, and here we go. As you can see, it has been moved to the left, right? So you can move it left or right according to your needs, and if you want to move it to the right, you can just have like make it right and it will move to the towards right side, right? And if you want to move it below, like you have to remove the space from below, and you can just copy this entire stuff, paste it, just type in bottom over here. So as you can see, it has gone beyond the bottom length, right? But you cannot do it on the top. This cannot be done from the top because the only reason is that Clickfunnels has already given you the top margin over here, so you can optimize it from here. So let's say you want the image to go beyond this column, so just type in minus 50 or minus 50 75, and as you can see, this has gone beyond the top margin as well. So that's how simple it is to change and optimize images and increase the image size. And that will be all for this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to not miss out more videos on CSS, also sales funnel strategies and so on. So I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and keep creating for a change.